Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can disable OneDrive from Windows 10. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on desktop on my computer and this is how the homepage looks like. So basically guys, as you can see guys right now, this is I'm working right now with Windows 11. But basically guys, the process is the same for Windows 10. So first of all, you need to go to your settings. If you don't find your settings right here, just go ahead and click on start. And then once you do that, go ahead and search for it right here. If you don't find it, just go to the search bar and then type settings. Once you do that, go ahead and click on open. And then as you can see guys, once you're here in the settings, here in the left, you're going to find all of these sections. Here you're going to find home, system, Bluetooth and devices, network and internet, personalization, apps, accounts, time and language, gaming, accessibility, privacy and security. And lastly, here you're going to find Windows Update. So basically guys, right now, go ahead and click on apps. And then once you do that right here, you're going to find your installed apps, advanced app settings, default apps, offline maps, apps for website, video playback, and lastly, right here, you're going to find startup. So basically, guys, right now, go ahead and click on installed apps. And then once you do that, wait for this list to load. And then you're going to be right here. So basically, guys, right here, you're going to find a list that includes all of your installed apps. Go ahead and search for OneDrive. And then once you do that, as you can see, guys, right here, you're going to find Microsoft's OneDrive. And here in the right, you're going to find these three dots. Go ahead and click on them. And then here, you're going to find modify and also uninstall. So in order to disable it and remove it completely, go ahead and click on uninstall. And then you're going to tell you this app and its related info will be uninstalled. If you are sure about removing it, go ahead and click on uninstall. And then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.